Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. Our viewer is currently using macOS Sonoma 14.2 beta on a MacBook Pro 2021 with an M1 Max and is facing a bit of a conundrum with their terminal. Whenever they open it up, they're bombarded with a relentless spammy output that just won't quit. This poses a real problem for our viewer, who relies on the terminal for their daily tasks, but is now at a loss on how to stop this barrage of messages. Let's dive into this issue and help them out. Now, onto the solution. That 19620 in the terminal indicates that the problematic process was launched in the background with the process ID of 19620. The first step is to open up Activity Monitor from Applications Utilities and keep an eye on the process ID as you launch the terminal again. Once you identify the matching process, simply click on it and hit the small X in the upper left corner to terminate it. This should put an end to the spammy messages once and for all. Afterward, it's recommended to check your .zsarc and other relevant files to locate and eliminate the trouble shell script causing the issue. Problem solved. In summary, we've helped our viewer resolve a pesky problem with their terminal on macOS by identifying and terminating the background process responsible for the spammy output. By using Activity Monitor to pinpoint the process and then deleting the problematic shell script, our viewer can now use the terminal smoothly without any more uh-oh moments. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!